So there is a question asked like for evaluating Postfix expression, you have to write a code and they will give a question and you have to solve that question using normal method in your book. So first thing that code which you have to write. So see here, concentrate in the question. They didn't ask you to write C program. If they ask you the program, they will mention program, that word as program, but they haven't asked program. So they have asked the question like C code for just evaluating portions. So you don't have to write that int main and that everything big thing and all. You can just simply write this and write the code and leave. Here I have written the half part of the code. The remaining half part I will explain you while I complete this. Okay, so first here I have taken the int type of my function. So here evaluate postfix in short form I have written like this. So here you can write anything. It's not necessary to be any something particular, but yeah, since you are doing something on postfix, so give a name related to that. Then we are using a constant char postfix. Okay, we are passing the parameter inside. So first thing is here struct stack operand stack. So here we want to like create a stack here. So and here we are initializing this stack. So these two things now we can simply write directly here. Why? Because out of this function we have to like declare separate functions for this. But here we can simply like write this, and I think here star should come. Okay, now so see here we are creating a stack struct stack equals to operand stack, and now in this initialize is a function where we pass as a stack and we initialize that stacks is empty, and so nothing but the stack of top equals to -1. So see here int I equals 0 global I mean these are local variable inside the function. So here first thing what you have to remember is out of the function, like in the main function we will say the user to enter a postfix expression, right? So this is nothing but that postfix expression, while postfix of I is not equal to this null. So what this means, postfix of I means whatever the character you had, suppose a b c plus minus, so one by one it will read here until it is not null. Why this thing is coming is because in your characters now what is there, so if you have a string of characters, suppose I will take stack itself, stack. So what happens, they will be like stored like this, right? Here always we will be having this null tag. In definition itself we have set of characters ending with a this we mention. Okay, so terminating a string we represent this. So every string will have this at the end. So that's why we are writing here not equals to this 0 or this last character, or null also you can call. Okay, so until postfix of I is not this, so one by one. So we again initializing another here what is that variable, that is character variable, that is current char equals to postfix of I. So whatever we had here one by one, that we have sent for this current char. So my current char is the first thing. Suppose it was this itself. Here we will take like on live example. Okay, so here suppose we pass ABC also, or if you pass numbers also, they go as characters. Okay, because we are not using int or float here, using character here. Okay, so suppose here 7 5 6 was there, and then plus minus was there. Okay, so what happens here, while postfix of I is not the current char, so first character will be my 7. If it is a digit current char, so see it will check if my character is a digit. If this function if is digit current char, it checks whether my character is digit or not. If it is digit, what will do, it will push in the stack. Okay, where is this? Yeah, here. Then what happened, this is else part, the remaining thing. Okay, then again it will come here. Okay, because this everything whatever it comes here is the else part. Again it checks. So first it was here, right? Now it will go here. This is not there. Again it will check it is a digit, it will send here. Again it will check for 6, it will again push it inside, right? So that's what this part of code does. And then what happens, so I mean this part of code, so while it is null, so until I reach here, it will be like looping this whole block of code. So each time first this happened, when I return again it will increment, right, one by one it will be going. So my current char was here, it was here, now it was here, now it comes to this. Now see here, this plus, is it a digit? No, it's not a digit. So it will come to the else part. So what is there in the else part? Int operand 2 is equals to pop of this operand stack. So my op2, okay, it is an integer I have taken here, is equals to pop of stack. So first thing what is there, that will be my op2. Okay, then op1 is what will be this. So 6 came out. Now what is the remaining thing is 5. So my second like first operand will be this, the second item in the stack. My second operator will be the first item in the stack. Now we have here switch statement in which we have put current character. Okay, so whatever my current char is, it will be holding an operator now. So here we write this block of code here, which I will write you now. Okay, so first we have current char, in that we will be having case, first case we put case plus I will give. Okay, so if it is case 1, what we do, we return this op1. Okay, here op1, then it is plus op2. So here as you can see here, we will put plus here. So in case 1, what we do, operand 1 plus operand 2, and we return that value. Okay, so similarly like this itself we write for minus, plus and so on. So for now, and yeah, so we are writing here operand 1 plus operand 2, right, semicolon, but we have to push this in the stack. So here you have to write stack of plus plus top. Okay, so here stack of plus plus top is nothing, first we will increment and then we will put. So since we popped this, my stack was here now. Okay, so after popping 5, my stack was here. So first I will increment here, and then whatever the operation I had performed, I will put here. So since it was plus, right, so 6 plus 5, I mean 5 plus 6, so it will do 5 plus 6, that is 11, it will be pushed here. Okay, let us keep here 20 for better understanding, or else it will confuse you. Okay, then if it is case minus here, similar same thing, only here minus will come. See, everything is same. Here this plus will change to minus. That's the only difference. So whatever is there, right, so that will come out. Now first my op2, right, my op2 will be 11, my op1 will be 20, and my operator, okay, my operator, I simply write operator 20 minus, it was minus. So 20 minus 11 is 9, and then it will be placed in the stack. So this both were popped. First op2 was popped and op1 was popped, and now it will be placed here. Okay, now after finishing everything, right, here case minus, then for case star, then division. Okay, these many things only you do after closing this switch statement, and that while else part is over, switch case is over, and else part, 3 brackets will come, one bracket for your switch, another bracket for your else part. Okay, then another bracket for closing your while loop. After this closing this while loop, what you have to write, you have to write this pop of this stack. Okay, again you have to write pop of opd stack. Why? Because your result whatever you calculated is inside. Now see here, after minus, here it will check again while posting, so I is equals to this. If it is true, now it will come out of now see, not equals to null, right. Here it's not, the condition is false now. Okay, it is equals to null now. So this while loop will close after it has completed the whole thing. Now here this should be popped out because this is my result, right. So it will be popped out and will return the result. So that's what how this like code works. If you understand, you can write the code in your own way. So the main part was still here. This switch case you can refer any program, so that switch part should always be same itself. Now coming to evaluating that expression, let me first note the expression. So I will write here itself in boldly A. So this expression was given after the code. You have to write this expression minus d star plus E, then you have the dollar symbol, F, then plus. So value also they have given 6, 3, 2, 5, 1, and so A is 6, B is 3, C is 2, D is 5, and E has only like value is 1, and F is 7. Okay, so for this you will be having to draw this table kind of thing. Okay, so here in the table, here you will be having your what is that, one by one whatever the stack things you are having it. So this expression I will write like this: A, B, C minus D. Now then I have star, then I have minus, then I have E, then I have dollar, then I have F, then I have plus at the last. Okay, so here then I will see my current char what is there. So whether it should be pushed or pop, or operand 1, operand 2, and then one in one column I will write my what is that expression. So here at the end let me put here expression, this postfix expression column. So what you do, first we read this A, right? So here it will be like pushed to this stack place of thing. Then we have B, so like that itself, characters or this integers, it will be pushed here. But what do I do, instead of writing this ABC, now I will write this values. Okay, so because we cannot take characters like this, so we need values, right? So I will take values inside. Even you have to do like this, because in character how you will do, you cannot perform the operations, right? So for that purpose you have to use numbers whatever they have given. It's visible now. So here no need to write no space to write serial number, so I didn't write serial number. So this is my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So these are my symbols, okay, whatever I have in the stack. Now here I will place write OP1, here I will write OP2. Okay, and this either my postfix or I will write what is there in my stack currently. So first 6 came, so I will push in my stack. Okay, then 3, so I will write in my stack. Then 2, I will write in my stack. Now the symbol is minus. Okay, so if symbol is minus, what I do, I pop this. So what is first thing I will pop, I will write here. Then second thing at this part, okay, I am writing in this minus. Okay, okay, so here 2 and here 3 will come. What is 3 minus 2? Okay, first pop element is your operand 2, second popped element is your operand 3. How I will just show here smallly. So first 6 went, after 6 3 went, right, after 3 2 went. So now see here, this will get popped and placed in operand 2, this will get popped and placed in here. Then subtraction, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so I will write 1. So 1, now here 1 will be pushed here, 1 will go here. So what happens here, 6 comma 1, we will write 6 comma 1 here. Okay, then we saw 5, so 6 comma 1 comma 5. Now we got multiplication, first here 5 is there, right, 5 will go here, 1 will go here. Now 1 star 5 is nothing but 5 itself, so here I write 6 comma 5. Okay, now I encountered minus again, right, it's minus only, right? Oh sorry, it's plus over here, this symbol, this thing is plus. So here I 5, so now here only 5 is there, whatever operation is there, after popping out that result is pushed again to the stack. Okay, so you have to make sure you write properly. Then again see the expression is here itself, after star I have plus again. Now what happened, plus, so first 5 will be popped and here 6 will be popped here, 6 plus 5 what, 5 popped, 6 popped. So 6 plus 5 is your 11, that will be pushed again, so here only 11 will be there. Now 1 is there, I will push it, 11 comma 1. Now this dollar symbol comes na, so I will pop this here. Now see here, this is the interesting part, most of you know, but many of them don't know also. Here, so what does this dollar symbol does na, I'll show here. So here dollar symbol, $11 is nothing but your 11 to the power of 1. Okay, this acts as a power, right side number like this become, right, so this thing becomes your power and this thing becomes your base. So on this power will be placed. So what is 11 power 1, that is nothing but your 11 itself. So I will write 11 here. Then 7 came, so 11 comma 7. Now again plus operation, so here 7 is there now, so here 7 will come, 11 will come, 11 plus 7 is your 18. Okay, what's there in left in your stack? Then 18. Then we will pop the stack and we will write our postfix evaluation of postfix expression is 18 anta. Like this we will write off. Postfix is the evaluation of postfix expression is the easiest part. Even infix to postfix is not that difficult. It's easy. The only thing you have to remember over there is the priority of the symbols, which can be placed above what and which cannot be placed above what. If you know that, then everything is easy for you. So this is how you draw the table, and just draw one serial number also. Write one by one everything properly like this, and then if you want, you can draw a stack in some place and simply show the operations, or one box you can write, or else in rough part also you can write your operation, and then at the end you can return the result. So this is how what you have to do if they ask to evaluate postfix expression.